Hey everyone! Welcome back to Your Tech Pro. Subscribe our channel and like this video. With Christmas just around the corner, it's the perfect time to get crafty and create some heartfelt DIY Christmas pop-up cards. Today, I'll be sharing a few fun and easy ideas to make your own festive greetings. Let's dive in. Materials needed. Before we start, make sure you gather these basic materials. 1. Colorful cardstock. 2. Scissors. 3. Glue. 4. Markers or pens. 5. Decorative elements, glitter, ribbons, small ornaments, etc. 1. Traditional Christmas tree pop-up card. Let's kick things off with a classic Christmas tree pop-up card. Begin by folding a piece of green cardstock in half. Cut out a Christmas tree shape, leaving the fold intact. Unfold the tree, and voila! You have a charming pop-up Christmas tree. Get creative with ornaments and decorations to make it festive. 2. Snowy winter scene card. For a winter wonderland vibe, take a blue cardstock sheet and fold it in half. Cut out a snowy landscape, making sure to leave the fold untouched. When you open the card, the snowy scene will pop up. Add details like snowflakes or a tiny snowman to complete the look. 3. 3D stockings greeting card. Let's add some coziness with 3D stockings. Cut out stocking shapes from various colored cardstocks. Fold them in half and attach them to the front of your card, creating a delightful 3D effect. Personalize each stocking with names or small messages for your loved ones. 4. Bauble explosion card. Give your card a burst of holiday cheer with a bauble explosion. Cut out circular shapes in different sizes from vibrant cardstock. Attach them to the inside of the card, allowing them to pop up when opened. Add glitter or metallic details for a festive touch. There you have it, folks. Creative and easy DIY Christmas pop-up cards to spread joy this holiday season. Feel free to mix and match these ideas or add your personal flair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crafty content, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Happy crafting, and Merry Christmas! Thanks for joining us on Your Tech Bro. Wishing you all a wonderful and craft-filled holiday season. Until next time, happy crafting! Subscribe our channel and like this video, share with your friends.